Hi, come let me take you to a special place. This is our happy place. Come, let's get in. Come, let's meet someone special.
Hi, my name is Neha Joshi. I am the founder of Indian School of Beauty. Let me take you through the journey that we built past 10 years. So this year we complete 10 years of ISB. Honestly, every year we have been improving on things. We have been getting better with our systems, with our syllabus, and a lot more. But this year is a milestone year, and we knew that we had to go beyond what we have been doing for so long. And right now, what you see is the new upgraded version of Indian School of Beauty. So yes, this is the new ISB 2.0.
And exactly when we started thinking about this, one thing was very clear, that we wanted a female interior designer to help us bring this vision to life. And that's when Neha's closest friend came on board, and we started brainstorming, but we knew exactly what we wanted the space to feel like.
Yeah. I think, Pearl, the major shift for us was the color palette. Right. So when we started with the brainstorming, I think that was something which took the first step. That okay, we had to change the colors and make it more feminine and very women oriented. But I think moving from the blues and whites to the color palette that we have now, I think it was one of the most difficult decisions to make, right?
Right. In fact, I just feel like as we grew and started truly identifying ourselves as a female-led brand, we realized that we needed to bring it to the table.
True.
But also we didn't want to completely lose the essence of blue and white, because that was our foundation.
Yeah.
That's where we started. So we really wanted to keep it together.
So every corner of the space is built with intention. Like every wall of this space has a story to tell. And I think right now we can take them and tell them the whole story, the whole idea behind creating this beautiful space for all our students.
Come, let us walk you through ISB 2.0.
So a lot of times people come to us and they ask us about the fees, but that's not exactly how it works here. Honestly, we make sure that we consult the student, we counsel you, because every student's requirement is different and not every course is meant for everybody. So here what we do is we understand what are your future expectations, we understand what are you exactly looking for, and that is the way that we take this ahead. What you see behind me is Wall of Fame. I think this is the most favorite place in this entire academy, at least for me. When I started building this wall, it was a very emotional moment for me, because this wall shows the hard work of all the 10 years that we have put in. As a team, as the family of the students that we have. I think it's not just about doing the course, it's what do they do after the course. For me, it has always been of the utmost priority that when you join ISB or when you join Indian School of Beauty, it is not only about enrolling to a course, but it is about the work that you are going to do after the course completion. So I'm very happy. My heart is full of pride today when I see these people on the wall, because these students are the one who came here with dreams, and today all their dreams are true, because what they're doing is extremely amazing. They are elevating the industry, and I think they are making ISB proud wherever they are. The most important question that you might have as a student is, what is the qualification of the trainers who is going to train you? So this wall, if you see, it shows the experience and the qualification that I hold, that my entire team holds. And so you have to be rest assured that you are in the right hands.
This is a wall of art. I always tend to tell my students that your work deserves to be seen. And I think this wall is the proof of that. Every single frame here is our student portfolio look. Not industry artists, not just models, our students' look. And watching them create these looks from scratch is what I think is the best part of being a part of this academy, of being a teacher, of being a mentor. And I think a part of them is also full of pride when they see their work placed on our wall. It's their first step into the industry, being all happy and owning their creation. This is our cute little selfie corner, and this is where most of the drama happens. From all the pictures, videos, reels, everything. This corner has seen it all. I think these moments matter just as much as learning. And this is where all the magic happens, from practical training to learning industry-ready techniques. We have intentionally designed this space for a smaller batch size and for a better learning experience, and also for one-on-one attention.
So if you see over here, we have designed this beautiful library for the students. They get to work with all these global brands that we have stocked up in the cupboard. I'm very happy to tell you that a lot of times people come and tell me, okay, I have not worked with this brand, so will you teach me about it? Or, I am not used to this particular brand. But we believe at Indian School of Beauty that a true makeup artist is one who can work with irrespective of brands with all the possible textures. And for that, we have stocked up the entire range available globally. So you get to work with every possible brand.
We don't just teach you makeup, we teach you marketing, personality development, soft skills, which makes you job ready. We don't just teach you makeup, we teach you the science behind makeup. And after everything you've seen, this is ISP 2.0.
Stronger, better, and reimagined.